Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the record ID in the screen flow in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, we need just to create our flow so we can get our IDs. So here I'm just going to type flows in quick finds and I'm just going to start a flow in the flow builder. So new flow, and from there I'm just going to start a screen flow, and let's just start from scratch, and this one is a screen one. So basically we need first to create an input or the flow variable. So basically here we need just to add a new resource. So I'm just going to start and add a new resource, and simply let's go back here, and from here we need just to add our source, and basically we need our variables, and from here you will need to add the API name. So let's just name it your record ID or any API name, and after that you will need just to choose and check allow multiple values if you have many collections or a collection, but what matters is to check for your data type that you want. So if it was a currency, in our case it would be record, and you will need just to type to choose which object that will refer into, and here you can add available for input. So here we are just going to click on done, and after that we will need just to check the record ID option from the app builder page. So now, and simply just save the flow, give it a name, and the API I'm just going to give random names, and from there you will need just to go to the flows, and let's just refresh, and we will have our flow that should be added. And as you can see, this is our screen flow. We need just to activate it. So here you will need just to activate your flow and run it. And basically now you have your screen flow that will start redirecting the records ID. So that's it. See you next time.